Namaste. Today being Yugadi, let us learn how to say Happy Yugadi to all in Sanskritam. So, in Sanskritam, we say Sarvebhyaha Yugadi Parvanaha Shubhashayaha. I'll repeat again. Sarvebhyaha Yugadi Parvanaha Shubhashayaha. In the Karnataka and Andhra regions, it is a custom to eat jaggery mixed with neem leaves on the day of Ugadi. While consuming this, this particular shloka is recited. The shloka goes like this. Shatayurvajradehaya sarvasampatkaraya cha sarvarishtavinashaya nimbakadalabhakshanam. We will recite it again. Shatayurvajradehaya sarvasampatkaraya cha sarvarishtavinashaya nimbakadalabhakshanam. The meaning of this shloka is, for having a lifespan of 100 years, for getting a body as strong as the diamond, for gaining all kinds of prosperity, for destroying all misfortunes, the neem leaves are being eaten. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do share with everyone, and also please do subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel. Dhanyavadaha.